Hey guys, okay, so my husband called me to get ready because he's taking me out for lunch. I deserve a baby girl treatment, don't I? Okay, so as you can see, I've gotten my makeup done. I didn't wear lashes, so it's not giving 10 over 10, but yeah, my husband doesn't like lashes, so I don't want him to be keeping a long face. So right now we'll get into the hair. So I'm going to be wearing this curly hair from Posh Beauty What Obvious. It's a hair blend hair, okay? And that's the hairline. The hairline is given. I quickly wanted to show you guys how I'm going to style this hair under 10 minutes. So let's get into it. So first I'm going to be using my foundation. I'm using it to bleach the inside of the lace. Bleach that properly so that it will be giving scalp. You can see the difference. It's already giving my skin color. So next I'm going to lock in this hook, and this is what we have. So I'm wearing this wig as Glueless, so I'm going to quickly tear off that lace with my scissors, and we're done. So this is what it looks like. I said, it's a mini frontal and it's Glueless. So we're going to take care of this my short edges. I'm going to lay that away. Okay, well, this looks better, right? Okay, so I'm going to wear the wig. Hola. So when I say it's Glueless, this is what I mean. And like this now, I'm done. No, like this now I'm done. If not, I want to do plenty things. Like this now I'm done. I'll finish work. But let's continue. So I'm going to define this line. It's you know. Now I believe this is very simple. Yep. So I'm going in with this wax stick. I'm going to push this down. Okay. Going in with this my sprit gel. I'm spraying on the part that I want to lay down. Okay. Remember, it cannot coil to the end. Honestly, I don't like using these things. They choke my eye, seriously. Okay, so I'm going to spray this thing around it, and it's going to help me with extra hold. And then I'll tie it down. Okay. Okay. Now it's time to curl it back. It's water. Kalala. This serum. The Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. Now that we have the mixture, I'm going to be spraying it on the hair. Baby girl, it's so started popping. Huh? And we're going to be taking the last one. Whoop, sauce is ready. Aha. Woo. Now baby girl looks like someone who is ready to hang out. Hey, look at that. So guys, this was the end result of this hair. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Please like and share this video. Bye.